Page performance can depend on a lot of elements. Some examples include page types, user behavior, file sizes, website server, inefficient coding, hot linking, and too many plugins and or widgets. Top 10 tips to speed up your site. How to test website loading speed. Okay, we know you are thinking pizza delivery time, but sure, this is probably a refresher for you. We expect our website to load fast. For that to happen, your website you should be light. But there are a lot of steps between your server and your customer mobile phone. Evaluating and optimizing website speed is mandatory for websites developers to keep up with a competitive and evolving search landscape. Enhancing the site speed improve not only search ranking but also improve user experience. Doing so ensures that organizations don't miss out on potential customers, leads generation, conversions, and revenue. Page performance can depend on a lot of elements. Some examples include page types, user behavior, file sizes, website server, inefficient coding, hot linking, and too many plugins and or widgets. The page experience signal measure aspects of how users perceive the experience of interacting with a web page. Optimizing for these factors makes the web more delightful for users across all web browsers and surfaces and helps sites evolve toward users' expectations on mobile. We believe this will contribute to business success on a web as users grow more engaged. For example, if we type your website.com or example.com into the URL bar, the following steps need to be taken. The browser connects to the DNS server, domain name server. A domain name server translates the hostname into a number-based IP address. For example, your website becomes 123.467.8910 to say any number. The browser establishes a connection to your website server. This happens via several immediate stations similar to a package that travel between different postal centers before arriving at your address, and hopefully that isn't your pizza. If your website uses a secure SSL protocol, of course it does, right? A so-called handshake take place. Client and server identify each other and an encrypted connection is established. The server sends the data, which is split into packets to the client. Similarly, many parameters influence the time to first byte. Network speed. Network latency refers to the time it takes for a data package to travel from the sender to the receiver. For example, if the user is surfing within a busy Wi-Fi hotspot, it is usually high and increase the time to first byte. The DNS server response time, if the DNS server processes the request slowly, for example, because it is overloaded, latency also occurs. In general, the further away of DNS server is physically located, the longest it takes to provide the IP address. Just like your pizza delivery, the more steps they have to take, the more stuff laying around your drive away. How fast should your website load?